Hello friends, how are you all? Hope all of you are having an amazing day. It's me, your friend Arjun. So once again, welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel, God's Own Voyager. So friends, after a long time, I am here with another cooking vlog. In this video, I am going to make a brand new juice or a variety of juice made with mangosteen. So today we are making two ingredients, two recipes. One is mangosteen juice and mangosteen and also mangosteen iced tea. So without any lag, let's move on to our video. First of all we are going to make mangosteen cold tea. So first of all we want to cut this mangosteen into two parts. So we want to pluck it and separate this into these parts. So we are using both. So we want to squash this, guys. So it now look like this. We are taking both this white part which we eat and also this shell of this mangosteen. So I have already separated few. So we want to taking this white which we use it in our next process. So guys, so dear friends, I have separated both this fruit and shell of this mangosteen. Now we are putting this fruit here. Now we are going to cut this. So now we are going to cut the shell of the mangosteen for our next process. So dear friends, we are going to put these pieces for boiling. I am putting little bit of water to it. Also, we want to mix it well. Now I am going to boil it and fire it down. So dear friends, I have put all this to boiling for almost 10 or 15 minutes. After 10-15 minutes we want to take it. So till that we want to wait for our tea to become as like good. So dear friends, after few minutes of boiling we want to put little bit of sugar to it. I am putting a bowl of sugar to it. So dear friends, it's almost been boiled. So dear friends, it's almost been boiled. Dear friends, now we are going to put it for cool for some time, for cooling for some time. So dear friends, a variety of smell is coming out. So I think it's almost ready. Let me mix it. So it's almost red in color now, our tea for today. So dear friends, now we are going to filter it now. So look. So dear friends, actually we wanted to dry this shell of this mangosteen in the sunlight, but we don't dry it because we are going to dry it by another method. So we just cut the shell of this mangosteen in raw form. So our tea is almost ready. Now it looks like almost red in color. Our mangosteen cold tea. Let it cool for a few minutes. After that we will serve it into a good glass. Dear friends, we are going to left our tea for cool for a moment. Now we are going to make our another recipe for today, that is making juice out of this mangosteen. So for that we are taking our separated white and fruity pieces of mangosteen. I am going to crush this white fruit pulp of mangosteen in this mixie or mixture to extract juices out of it. I am going to put water and sugar. You can put sugar and water as per your deserved quantity. Now I am going to serve our tea for today in this glass. Okay, Kona. So now I am going to put little bit of tulsi. It's a special kind of tulsi. Rama tulsi we say it as. Now I am going to put little lemon orange. This is lemon orange, guys. Mix it. So dear friends, I have already made juice from with a mixture of mangosteen. So now I am going to take it. Now it looks like this. Wow, amazing. So first of all, let me put some ice to it. First of all, look, I have taken ice. I am going to put few ice to this glass. Going to put the juice to it. Now I am going to put lemon orange. So I am going to put tulsi to it. Dear friends, I have made my today's recipe. Both the one is mangosteen cold tea, that's this, and one is mangosteen fresh juice. So let me try both of them. Guys, it's superb. Cheers, guys. Cheers. It's superb. Now I am going to have tasted a little bit of this juice. Now I am going to taste our tea for today. Superb, guys. So dear friends, if you want to know the benefits of this mangosteen, I will put the post it in my screen of this video. You can just pause my video and read about the benefits of this mangosteen. So I hope this video will be entertaining and very good for all of you. So if you like my video, please share this video with all your friends, and so I can interact with them also. So if you are watching my channel for first time, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button, and you can do whatever you want, and give thumbs up for my this hardworking and brand new recipe, juice and tea video. So till we meet here again, it's me, God's own Voyager Arjun, signing out. Tata and bye.